Hi, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. This is Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support. Thanks for joining me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. We're going to be jumping into a Outlook or Microsoft Office focused tech tip for this week. So I appreciate you joining me. We're going to be talking about how to do this, changing the different tones as you see these tones cycle through of how you can have that customized for your Microsoft Outlook. And it's very simple and easy to do. And since we probably spend a lot of time in our email, they would give you a little bit of a different perception just to make it a little bit more pleasing aesthetically on your eye for what you have a preference for. Let's talk about how you can do that. Very simple. Okay, so all you're going to do is open up your Outlook. You're going to go ahead and hit File and then hit Options. Then inside Options in the General page, you're going to see what's called Office Theme. It's going to give you a drop-down menu, and then you can choose from colorful, gray, white, or black. And once again, quick aspect of what those look like are right here. And you can go ahead and judge and pick the one that looks the best for you. Now, you do have to select it and hit OK for it to change. So that way, if you don't like that one, go ahead and do that same process. Change either colorful, white, black, gray, whichever one aesthetically fits you the best, because of how much time you spend in there, you can customize it and just make it a little bit more personable for yourself. If you have any questions about that or always looking to improve how technology can work for your office, feel free to give us a phone call. We're Colorado Computer Support. We're experts at what we do. And you can reach us at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Well, I really appreciate you joining me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. I will see you next time and have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much.